If you want to remove a device from this extender, so for example, if you wanted to take a door guard and move it onto another one, what you need to do is unbind it. So it's very similar to the bind process, but kind of in reverse. The main difference being what you have to do is push and hold. So push and hold the bind button until you see a flashing amber LED up here. So that's flashing amber. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the device that we want to unbind. We'll do the free door first, so it's exactly the same thing again. The bind button, we're going to push and hold. So we're push and hold that until you get the flashing amber, and then what will happen is it will unbind itself. You'll see it goes solid actually there for a little bit, just to confirm that it's unbound. You get the beeps, and that's no longer in the network. Exactly the same for the door guard. So the bind button's inside there. What we're going to do, push, hold until you get the flashing amber LED, and that should unbind. When the door guard unbinds, it will actually release its plunger. That's a fail safe. Make sure you can't hold it open if it's not bound. Then we just go back to the extender, just press it once, like so, and then I'll take it out of unbind mode. So you've now removed those two devices from the extender. Just a quick note, if you actually wanted to remove the extender itself, then it's the same process. You go to its parent device, whether it be another extender or transmitter. In this case, it's a ProHub transmitter. We're going to put the ProHub transmitter into unbind by pushing holding the bind button until you get the flashing amber. Can't quite see it, my finger's in the way. They're flashing amber. Then, so we're going to actually remove this now. So we're going to push and hold that again, and we're going to remove the extender from the network. Just a note to remember, if you remove this extender and there's other devices linked further down the network, they will all drop out because they'll all lose communication as well. You can see we've got two red LEDs here. The top one is your radio LED, so that's saying, right, I've got red radio, I'm no longer in communication. And the bottom one's, that's warning, that's saying that there's a problem. So we go back to the ProHub, the parent device, take that out of bind, and as you can see, this is now removed from the network. Anything downline to it will fail safe, and we've removed this from the network now as well. If you wanted to get it back in, simply press the bind button, press that bind button, and it will reattach once again, like so.